They ask the question, well, how do I know? How do I know if they're divisive people? And I was reading this week, and some guy gave 5 descriptors of what it may look like to be a person who's out of alignment, and I'm going to share them with you. These aren't original with me, so don't think I'm talking about you from the pulpit if I say something and you feel like, because I'm not, I promise. I've even been this person several times, and sometimes you do it without even knowing it. But here's what he says. This is from Andy Stanley's book, Visioneering. Number 1, they attempt to control rather than serve. That's exactly what these nobles were doing. They were attempting to control rather than serve. And many times what happens is that they'll present themselves in this manner of, I want to serve, I'm all about the vision, but sooner or later those controlling tendencies are going to surface, and you're going to realize this person is not on board with the vision. Their service is service, but it's always with strings attached. You know what I'm saying? So that's number 1. Number 2, they will manipulate people and circumstances to further their own agenda. Many times they'll even use the language of the vision. They'll use the talking points in order to say, this is why we need to do it my way. We need to further my agenda. That's number 2. Number 3, they will exhibit an unwillingness to resolve their differences face to face. They almost will never talk with you, but they'll always talk about you. They'll many times get their feelings hurt and sit on their hurt feelings instead of coming and talking about why their feelings are hurt. And many times they'll use that pain and that hurt in order to justify their behavior, which is causing division and killing the vision. That's number 3. Number 4, they will exhibit an unwillingness to believe the best about their other teammates. Maybe you've been on a staff one time and it was always like, man, I can't catch a break this size. Always assuming the worst about me and about the motives, and that's a descriptor of someone who's misaligned. Number 5, they will view team members' failures as their own personal successes. And so if your project fails, they feel pretty good about themselves. If your project succeeds, they feel pretty bad about themselves. If your project was tied to what they were about, then that's success. Success is anything that helps support my agenda. And that's exactly what you had in the nobles, these Jewish brothers, and that is exactly what it looks like to be a person who's out of alignment.